Hello, fourth graders, and welcome to lesson 9 of poetry. Today we are going to look at patterning and repeating in a poem, and then you are going to try to do one on your own. So what's patterning and repeating? That means in a poem you have something that is continuously said over and over, but sometimes in a little bit of a different way. So for example, here's our first poem that we're going to look at. Go, wind, blow, push, wind, swoosh, shake things, take things, make things fly. So we're talking about the wind here. And we are, instead of just doing the poem like we've kind of been doing, we're going to today try to do it where you do some repeating. Notice it's not complete repeating. I'm not saying shake things, shake things, shake things. I'm saying shake things, take things, make things fly. So what's being repeated over and over? Well, first off, the word things is being repeated over and over, but also the fact that there are two words, shake things, take things, make things fly. And that's ended with one word here. Let's look at the next one, next part of the poem. Ring things, swing things, fling things high. Again, we're repeating things, and we're repeating the two words, one. All right. This one had a little bit more of an intro to it with the go, wind, blow, push, wind, swoosh. This one decided to go right into the 2, 2, 2, 1 and repeating with that things. And the last part of the poem, go, wind, blow, push things, push. No, wind, no, not me, not me. So this time what's being repeated? Well, at the end, you obviously can see the not me, not me. But up here, there's a little bit of repeating when they go no, wind, no. And then not me, not me. So there's no specific way that you have to do this. Just would like you to today to try to do a poem where you're going to do some repeating or patterning. So you could be doing it like this, where you're repeating that there are two words and one of the words is continuously said over. Or here's another option. This is a poem about losing a tooth. And you're going to see what they're repeating right away. My tooth is about to come out. I hope it doesn't come out when I'm swimming. I hope it doesn't come out when I'm skating. I hope it doesn't come out when I'm doing gymnastics. I hope it doesn't come out when I'm playing. I hope it doesn't come out when I'm climbing. I hope it doesn't come out when I'm eating. When I put pasta in my mouth, I look down to discover that my tooth was in my pasta. It's a cute little poem. So when did it end up coming out? When he was eating. But do you see the repetitiveness here? We've got I hope that doesn't come out. I hope it doesn't come out. I hope it doesn't come out. But at the end, they kept changing when it might be coming out. Like when I'm swimming, when I'm skating, when I'm doing gymnastics, when I'm playing, when I'm climbing, when I'm eating. Those parts were changed, but this part over here was all repeated over and over. So that's what a repeated or a pattern poem looks like. And today I want you to see if you can do something like that. And it can be about anything. This one here is about your tooth coming out and afraid of when it would come out. The poem we read first was just about wind blowing and how it would blow things and take things and make things and ring things and swing things and fling things. All right. So it's anything that you'd like to write about, but to try to do something in it that's repeating over and over a pattern. Okay. So where you're going to go here, let me open back up to our poetry lessons. We do have a new new set of slides. This one, instead of being poetry lessons 1 through 8, you're going to find poetry lessons 9 through 16. Today is the lesson 9. Your poem with a pattern. It doesn't have to be long. It can be short if you want to, but make sure that something is being repeated over and over in your poem. All right, guys, good luck, and I will see you next time.